Hey, it's Friday, and it's me, your old pal Max West. I'm going to do today's installment of my 30-day drawing challenge. I'm going to do a sketch of a landscape here. No, nothing special. If you've read some of my comics, I tend to be rather minimalistic with landscapes. I'm a lot like Charles Schulz in that, my work tends to focus on the characters, be it Poison Ivy Gulch, or Sunnyvale Stories, or Dominic and Claire. I don't want the scenery or the props or the landscapes distracting from the characters. Alright, just going to do a quick sketch here. It's going to be a basic outdoors. It's not unlike something you might find out around Poison Ivy Gulch. Draw some rather pointy mountains there. Alright. Okay. Yeah, that looks very basic. Let's tighten this up a bit. Alright, maybe put in some dirt. Rocks. Put in maybe a cactus there in the background. The signature saguaro cacti that you see in Western movies. Nothing special there. Maybe we'll put in another rock. Nothing special. Put in perhaps another rock there in the background. Put in a few dots here as specks of dirt. There we go. Nothing special. Just a basic, Wild West desert landscape. Well, that's it for today. Join me tomorrow for some more neat surprises. Until then, it's just me, Max West, saying goodbye. Oh, subscribe to my channel, too.